Bonjour, c'est Anne. I haven't been with you for a while. Life gets in the way sometimes. But I wanted to make a quick video today because since Etsy announced the free shipping preference today in an email, everybody's being running crazy. And so I want to tell you, calm down, okay? Etsy isn't out to get you. Etsy is trying to make more sales, to make us make more sales. So free shipping, how does it work and what is it? It is in fact the incorporation of the shipping prices in the item's price so that the customers see at a first glance what they're going to pay, and so they don't have nasty surprises when they finalize their orders. And in order to do that, of course, you have to raise your prices because you have to incorporate the costs of shipping. Okay, so I've already done a video on this with examples of how I did it. I'm going to link to this video below here, so that if you haven't seen it, you can go and see it. But I just wanted to tell you that I've implemented the free shipping in both my shops since last summer. I think it was last August, or I probably started in July. So it's almost 1 year now, and so I have had the opportunity to figure out whether it was a good idea or not. And the result is, ta-da, it was an excellent idea, and I don't regret it one bit. Why? Because I strongly believe that it attracts a better sort of customer, people who prefer no hassle over best bargain, okay? These people tend to buy more. So I've actually calculated the percentages of multiple items sales before and after introducing free shipping. And so before free shipping, I think the percentage was between 7 and 10. I don't have the exact numbers right now, but I think it was between 7 and 10% of total orders that were for multiple orders. Then when after I introduced free shipping, the percentage of multiple items sales rose up to almost 20%, okay? And it did that in both my shops, and it's not it's a significant increase in percentage. It's not by chance that it did that, okay? And so what it shows is that free shipping, which means knowing exactly what you're going to pay from the start, liberates something in the customers. They feel freer, and so they know that they can add, and they know exactly what it's going to cost them if they want to add some other items to their order. And as I said, this is all beneficial for them and for you. So when I say the multiples items have increased a lot, I have to say that I've had some orders for 12 to 14 items, where before I had never seen that, okay? And of course, I do give rebates to people who order multiple items and free prints, okay, or free beads or free something to compensate for that. But still, think about it and stop panicking first. Stop thinking that Etsy is doing that just to spite you, because nothing is further from the truth. But remember also that you're a seller, okay? Even if you're an artist, you're a seller. And selling requires to follow some marketing rules. And if what sells these days in general is free shipping, then do it. Otherwise, you can't just hide behind the fact that, oh, but I'm an artist, I don't want to be subject to market laws. Then you're not going to be successful, and that's all there is to it, okay? So stop panicking, have a good think about it. Check my first video on the subject, and don't forget to subscribe before you go. See you, bye-bye.